Care for health. How to prevent and stop snoring. Snoring can be very loud and provide you and others with poor sleeping habits. You'll be tired and not have a great day. Statistics show that 40% of adult men, 24% of adult women snore. 7 ways to prevent you from snoring. Number 1. You can prevent snoring by losing some weight. Due to extra tissues in the throat, you will most likely have a higher chance of snoring. Number 2. Sleep on your side. Lying on your back places your tongue to fall backwards into your throat, narrowing your airway. Number 3. Raise the head of your bed. 4 inches would be ideal. Number 4. You can check out your local pharmacy to buy strips, sprays, which help increase airflow so you can breathe easy. Number 5. Treat your nasal congestion. Allergies or deviated septum may limit airflow through the nose. Number 6. Limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol can alter your central nervous system, which affects your snoring. Number 7. Quit smoking. It can greatly reduce snoring. If none of these steps have worked, you can also see your family doctor or go to your local walk-in clinic. Your doctor may request you to take x-rays, an MRI, or CT scan. May provide you with answers as to why you're snoring. Your doctor may recommend a sleep study where a professional will monitor your sleeping habits. During your sleep, brain waves, blood oxygen level, heart rate, breathing rate, sleep stages, eye and leg movements will be monitored. After your treatment, the doctor will provide you the best advice for you to stop snoring. The doctor may recommend an oral mouthpiece that will provide you with a more open airway while you sleep. Another option, the doctor might provide you the CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure machine, in which you wear a mask over your nose or mouth. This machine will open your airways to breathe properly. The last resort, a doctor might recommend for you surgery, which will correct and prevent any narrowing passageway, which can stop your snoring. When you are snoring, there are risks you should be aware of. Sleep apnea is a sleep disorder in which breathing stops and starts. This can be very dangerous and should be checked with your doctor. When you are snoring, have a higher chance of waking up in the middle of the night. This may result in being sleepy and tired during work. There is also a chance are more sensitive and be angry or frequently bad sleeping patterns. You may have difficulty concentrating on tasks. You will also have a greater risk of heart conditions, stroke, and high blood pressure.
Are you all my personal dreams?
I hope video informative and provide you the better sleep. Please like and subscribe.